Welcome to LaughLine Daily, where the laughs hit harder than gravity itself. Today, we're watching Chiropractor popped his back, and Bro's reaction is priceless. Before we dive in, hit like, tap, subscribe, and drop Reaction Crew in the comments. First, the doc twisted her neck and blam! Her eyeballs almost bounced out like ping pong balls on espresso. Somebody call HR. Her neck just got straight up terminated. Next, Grandma hit the chiropractor and her neck got twisted. She went full loading, 1% mode. Brain.exe crashed and I think her spine just filed a resignation. Next, this tiny dude got his neck twisted and looked like a zombie stuck on pause. Somebody call 911. Or at least get snacks and a teddy. Lastly, Bro's neck went missing in action, but Doc still twisted him like a human slinky. That reaction, priceless, neck optional, pain, maximum,